The Minister of Health and Social Services, Kalumbi Shangula, announced that the Romanian couple, who have both tested positive for the coronavirus, were in close contact with 25 people and that active contact tracing was carried out, whereby 19 of them were successfully traced. The minister also assured the nation that appropriate measures were taken to isolate and monitor the 19 cases and that so far no secondary transmission was observed.
The couple that tested positive had 25 contacts. Active contact tracing was carried out and 19 contacts were successfully traced. Appropriate measures were taken, which include isolation and monitoring. So far, no secondary transmission was observed. As I indicated, our President declared a state of emergency yesterday on the 17th of March 2020. The state of emergency brings about the introduction and implementation of additional measures in the COVID-19 response and preparedness. The measures are aimed at curbing the spread of the disease and particularly to prevent the occurrence of local transmission. The measures are outlined in a cabinet decision which I announced yesterday at State House. The nation is urged to remain calm and to cooperate with the Ministry of Health and Social Services and other agencies of state so that we can defeat and break the transmission of the virus together.
The country representative of the World Health Organization to Namibia also assured the nation that all the people who came into contact with the Romanian couple will be traced.
It is the responsibility of the ministry to ensure that everybody who came into contact with this patient, or the two of them, are traced. And the ministry is doing active contact tracing all over. Now, when you talk about the people in the plane, you should also go back to even where they even started. They started from Madrid, transited in Doha before they came here. So we are doing backwards, but at the moment focusing on those who may be in the country. And this effort is being done to ensure that everyone in the country, and we had, I think the number is about 25 so far, and we've been able to identify about 19. And we hear that there are some who went up country and are coming back. So we are tracing all of them to ensure that we can find out their state of health so that we can monitor them and know where they are. And the good thing is that so far, all the tests that we have done have proved negative. And this is something that we take very seriously so that we don't miss anyone. That is the whole idea of containing the situation, making sure that those who are tested positive are contained.
Meanwhile, as a response from the international community, the Health Ministry also received 1,000 new testing kits for the coronavirus donated to the ministry by the People's Republic of China.
I will take this opportunity to hand over 1,000 test kits through Honorable Cabinet Minister to your ministry and to your government. This is a genuine support. Well, only one small part of a genuine support from China. I think more concrete support will be coming. China has offered the 12,000 test kits through the African Disease Control Center in Addis Ababa a few days ago. That's for the entire African countries, covering including Namibia.
The Minister of Health also announced that, apart from the 25 people who were in close contact with the Romanian couple, a total of 24 suspected cases of the coronavirus were reported in Namibia. Of that, 22 of the samples tested negative for the coronavirus. The 2 remaining samples were from the Romanian couple who have tested positive, meaning Namibia currently only has 2 cases of the coronavirus.